So with the harpoon mounted there on top of the gun, and the harpoon plug, I suppose, fitted. Yeah, it's a good solid fit, and as you can see, that is a good fit. So yeah, like I say, it's good enough for me. It's good enough for display. You know, it's not affecting my bank balance greatly, and it just means I can spend more money on toys. If you wanted to, I suppose you could sand those edges off, make it look a bit nicer. Obviously I'll be getting some black thread to tie those together. So yeah, get to cleaning it now, put some batteries in, and stick it with the rest of my collection. Yeah, these are all projects waiting to be done.